tax for a simple tax, but I can earn as high as $21 in a day. You understand? I can earn as high as $21 in a day on this website. So imagine I earn $21 in four places or five places. That's about $100 in a day. You see this online space, it is wide enough for everybody to cash out. It is wide enough for everybody to make as much as you want on this space. You understand? So welcome back, my beautiful people. If you're new to our channel, please do what to subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. Please like this video and drop a comment about any of our videos that you deem fit for us. Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how to make money simply by doing simple tasks. In fact, you can make $1 in just a matter of 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and you can repeat the same process over and over on just this one single website I will be showing you. Guys, please watch this video to the end. Do not skip a part, because I'll be showing you some process you can use to double your income on this website. So let's dive right into this video. So the first thing you would have to do is go to your Chrome browser. Well, some people will wonder, why is she not using a system? Why is she using phone? Well, because a phone is a device we walk around with. It is mobile. So a lot of us are always having our phones with us, but not all the time do we have our systems with us. So that's why I always love to use my phone. So in this video, I'll be showing you simple tasks that you can do and earn money using your phone. So let's just check how the website looks like on our phone. So the first thing I'll do is to go to my Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser. This is how it looks like. So on this search page, I will just type the name of the website. It's called Taloka. It's called Taloka. Toloka. Sorry, Toloka. Yeah, Toloka. So Toloka AI. Now this Toloka AI will be the first website you will see once Google opens it. So we click on it. Now what you do basically on this website is to do micro tasks. There are other websites like Pico Worker, Rapid Work that people do micro tasks and get paid. But on this website, the only difference is that this website, what they pay you is quite reasonable. Yes, what they pay you is quite reasonable from pico workers and all the rest. This is mainly because you help the artificial intelligence to improve more. That is what you simply do on this website. So let's read it. It said, get paid to make an impact. Do micro tasks that support new AI products and research. So they get their this website is mainly because they want to improve their products and their research. So that's why they pay people to work for them here. And you and I will be signing up on this website so as to get paid. It says earn money wherever and whenever you want. All you need is a device connected to the internet. So as long as you have a mobile phone and you have an internet connection, you can earn money on this website. So let's just check through the website to see. Okay, about our platform. The AI that we all use every day learns from data, huge amounts of data provided by humans. Engineers use our platform to collect data for training AI. They post simple tasks with instructions, and people anywhere in the world can complete the tasks and get paid. Please let me read that place again that says anywhere in the world can complete the task and get paid. It means your location doesn't matter. You will shall get paid on this website. That is what they're saying. That it doesn't matter wherever you are on earth in this world. As long as you have access to internet and you have a mobile device and you can access the internet, you will get paid on this website. So these are simple things you do. Like here now, they said in this website you can just classify images. Imagine now, so it's just like while we're in school now, they ask you, okay, oh, we have five shoes and just classify them, put them under their set. You understand? Here it says compare images. That's basically what you do. Search results evaluations, um classify images, or outline images and video. Just outline specific images and video. Well, these things, the tasks are quite simple and easy to do, and the money are also quite easy to withdraw and get on this website. So it also says moderate images and videos, collect images and videos. So you can virtually do a lot of things on this website. Whatever they shall ask you to do would definitely get you paid on this website. So let's just go back. Okay, they are trying to give us reasons to sign up. Now, for some of you, for doubting Thomas, let's just read the reasons why you need to sign up on this website. Well, this website is good for me because at least if you are able to spend 3 hours a day on the website, you can make roughly maybe like $20 or $30, and you know you get you withdraw it. So reasons to sign up: choose your tax and do them wherever you want, at home, on your way to work, or sitting at a cafe. Get paid quickly with fast and secure withdrawals. Simple tax, convenient. You can do it any time of the day, midnight to morning. No, it doesn't affect your 9 to 5 job or your day job. Fast payment. You can choose your withdrawal. Well, for those of you guys in Nigeria, the only withdrawal I know we can probably find easy to use is Payoneer or PayPal. They have other withdrawal method, especially for those people that are not Nigerians. You can probably use other withdrawal methods, but majorly for Nigerians, PayPal or Payoneer. Mobile app: use our friendly app for Android and iOS to complete tasks. Download the app. So here is how it works. Take a few minutes to sign up. It's totally free. Complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular type of task. Now, guys, you don't just go on this website and sign up. Some of you, some of those signing up on this website don't know this. Now, I said I will share with you how you can double your income on this website. To double your income, the first thing you need to do is to follow instruction here. So, and the instruction here is this instruction number 2. Complete a quick training set to learn how to do a particular task or job. You understand? So as long as you complete their training, the training is simply like an exam. As long as you complete their training, you can even get to see tax up to like $1, $2, and you can do them as much as you want it in a day and then maybe like $30 or $40. You guys will see it once I open up their website. Pick the task you want to do on your computer or in the mobile app. Carefully read the instructions and complete the assignment. Withdraw your earnings with one of the fastest and secure methods. Tell your friends to sign up and get a referral bonus. Well, another tip here is the fact that you can refer people and get paid whenever they sign up. They have a particular commission for anybody you bring to their website. So I will be dropping my link in the description box. It will be the first link. It will be in the description box. It will easily lead you guys to sign up freely and easily here. So yeah, just okay, let's check their testimonies. We'll just be using one of the testimony. I am an engineer, but I started looking for a way to make money online because of the pandemic. I've been doing tax in Taloka every day since November 2020. In my opinion, Taloka is one of the best platforms for earning money online. Minimalist interface, no ads, and the tax are interesting. You don't need a special degree or or experience to try out this field. data. You don't even, in fact, you don't need a special degree. He has said it. Data laborers learn as they go. So on this website, even if you're a beginner without skill, you can learn, you can make money on this website, because it is a website that you learn as you go. You understand? It is not a website that you just, well, I don't want to, make this video too lengthy. So let's just get straight to the registration, whatever. So you click on these three, okay, on these reasons to join, how it works, labels. So let's just go right. Okay, start earning money. So on this start earning money, they said you can log in or you can register. So just click on the register button. Well, it won't ask you for much data. This is what the platform looks like. Well, I'm sorry I'm unable to show you guys the register button because I already have an account with them. So once you click on the website, you click on register or you click on register to earn. You understand? So it will just register you. You just fill in your name, your email, yeah, your name, your email, and your phone number. Yeah, I think so. Your name, your email, and your phone number. Then you're good to go. So as you can see, once you log in, in fact, you see a lot of taxes here. But then again, please beware of these tags. Are called exam. They are basically just training, training plus exam. So you can have them exam, training, training plus exam. They are basically how you double your income on this website. Once you're able to pass their training and exam phase, your money begins to double. So this first one that I have here is $06 for a simple tax, but I can earn as high as $21 in a day. You understand? I can earn as high as $21 in a day on this website. So imagine I earn $21 in four places or five places. That's about $100 in a day. So let's go down to see how much I can earn as well. This one is 0.1. This one is 0.1. This one is training 0.1. This is 0.2. Now this particular one as well, I can earn as high as $6 on just one tax. This particular tax, I can repeat it and repeat it and earn about $6 on this tax. So this one as well, this 0.01, I can repeat it and earn as much as $12 on this tax. 0.20 also, I can do it over and over, this same tax, and earn up to $12. So in fact, there are countless number of tax on this taluka. It's not really loading here, so but there are countless number of tax on this taluka that just keeps refreshing every time, on their website. So please guys, this website, imagine this one too. So this website is quite easy. Refer your friends, sign up on this website, at least spend 3 hours a day on this website to make money. Spend 3 hours a day on this website, and by the end of the month, you see that at least in a month you should be making $200 on this website if you are serious with the website. So guys, please, if you like this content, please like our video, drop an emoji for us in the comment section, maybe a love emoji, a smiley emoji, whatever emoji you love, just drop it for us in the comment section and we appreciate it. So guys, I will see you guys in our next video.